Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're dealing with several officers who clearly do not understand our constitutional rights as they approach a private citizen and attempt to demand his phone to delete recorded footage, claiming he is not allowed to film buildings from a public sidewalk. Before we get into it, make sure to like the video and leave a comment with your thoughts. Your support helps spread awareness, reach a wider audience, educate the public on their rights in public spaces, and contribute to putting an end to police misconduct.
What's up?
What are you recording?
What am I recording?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
We have medical people coming in and out. They're kind of violating their medical sort of HIPAA violation. You know what I'm saying?
No, I don't. What do you mean HIPAA violations? I'm not certified by HIPAA, bro.
No, so people come in for like medical reasoning and stuff like that. We just don't want to be violating their HIPAA rights. You know?
Yeah. So what HIPAA right would that be?
Being recorded when they're getting their medical stuff.
Do you know how HIPAA laws work?
Huh?
Do you know how HIPAA laws work?
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about the HIPAA laws that you just brought up.
Right.
Do you know how those work? Hold on. Hold on. Don't interrupt. I'm trying to have a conversation with the man. So what HIPAA laws are you talking about? Because I'm not certified by HIPAA. I don't go by HIPAA laws. I'm here on a sidewalk. So I'm just confused as to what you're talking about,
We
really.
just want to make sure that their rights and stuff like that aren't being violated by people just filming them for no reason when they're trying to come in and
Oh, well, how do you know I have no reason?
We asked you. And
You asked me what?
You just asked it and you never gave.
Well, no, I was trying to have a conversation with you when he rudely interrupted, and I was trying to finish my conversation. So if you had a question, I'd be more than happy to answer. Go ahead.
Just want to know what's your purpose.
Well, what my purpose is I go around and I stress test our First Amendment right to the freedom of press in public, and I see how business owners, people, and the police, if they do come, react and how they respect our rights, and see if they feel if feelings trump rights.
Okay.
So we all good? We all on the same page? Or?
Oh yeah, we just wanted to see what was going on. It's
Oh, there you
weird
go.
when people are outside just, you know.
Yeah, no.
filming people.
Well, I'm glad I can answer your questions for you.
Gotcha. Thank you.
All right, take it easy. Have a good one. What? Who am I filming for? For me. Have a good one. Oh boy. What's up?
What are you doing? Just recording?
What am I doing? Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Is there any reason why you're recording the building?
The building? Which building?
This one?
That one?
Yes, sir.
I haven't been recording that building. What's up? Why? What's going on?
Recording in this area, sir.
What do you mean? Hold on. You guys have you guys have body cams here?
No.
No, we're not
No,
allowed to.
you don't?
We're not allowed to.
Oh, you're not allowed to. Interesting.
It's federal property. We're not allowed to film on it.
Federal property? The sidewalk in front of a dispensary? Federal property?
Dispensary, but our buildings are federal property.
I have nothing to do with your building.
but
you came and made yourself part of the building, so
You
like
filmed
part
the
of the
whole
video.
general region.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
You're
Yeah, did you know? Now, did you know I have a photographic memory? Did you know that?
Okay.
Okay.
So, what if I was standing here without a camera and I just remembered everything?
That's fine.
And then I went and
It's
drew
not allowed to
pictures
have
of it.
Physical copies. of
Oh,
pictures.
it absolutely, I
Anything
absolutely
on your
can.
phone is not allowed to be filmed
I
and
can.
taped to that area. Anything
Yeah, I
else over here, we don't care about. This is public property, like you said. This is totally fine. But this area.
So when people drive by and they have dash cams, do they have to like go outside their car and cover as they're driving by? Is that what they have to do, or?
No, but if you're specifically
Filming, that's-
you're going around.
Like I said, I'm not specifically filming that. So there you go. You're all set.
I don't know what else to tell you. We got a call. We have to take care of any videos and photographs that are on a certain person's phone, and that's
Really?
what we're investigating right now. That's what we have to do. Just get up and type.
Yeah, you guys want to? What? You have like a sergeant or a supervisor out here?
The sergeant's right behind us.
Oh,
Yeah, we're gonna
it's that guy. Oh yeah, please,
No,
yeah.
It's not him. It's a female.
Oh, my bad. Sorry. So yeah, just bring her out here. That'd be fantastic. I'd love to have a chat. Thought you had me there, didn't you? Ah, 1, 2, 3. Well, seeing as how they don't have body cams going on, I want to go over there and see what they're talking about. I won't be able to go and get a conversation afterwards, so. Hey, this ought to be really good for a weed business, don't you think? 3 cops with the lights on sitting right outside. Yeah, that's brilliant. You just hold on. No. I'll answer your question in a second. So you came up to me first and you said, "Hi, we can't have you recording our building, and we need to delete video off of people's phones. That's what we're here to do." And now you're going to come up to me and now we just need to know why you're recording. Really? So what's the ramifications if I don't tell you why I'm recording? Nothing? Would there be nothing? Oh, okay. All right. So you guys are dismissed. Take it easy. If you guys came up to me more cordial in the beginning, I would have answered your questions, but you guys are dismissed. Wait, you're telling me BS. You're telling me BS. So you guys are dismissed. See you later. Have a good one. Great for a weed business though. 3 cops with the lights on sitting right outside in front. That's great. You must really care about them.
Hey sir, how's it going?
Hi, how are you?
Good. Are you filming for like a certain reason?
Like I said, I'm not gonna give any answers. I have no more answers for any more questions.
That's fine. I just wanted to make sure everything's okay. If you're doing a project or something, we just like to check it out, make sure everybody's okay. And
I mean that if you had said that,
yeah.
I would have answered your questions. I would have answered your questions, but you came over here and you tried to strong arm me and BS me to make me crumble under your will, and that's not what I'm gonna do.
that's okay. You know
So
what?
you guys got anything else for me?
No.
What was your name and badge number?
Simmons.
Simmons.
Yep.
Badge number?
I mean, it doesn't
Shield number?
really matter.
No, it does. It absolutely does.
728.
Okay, 692.
792, 798.
What was your last name?
Sabins.
Sabins. Thanks. All right, you guys have a good day. Take it easy. You guys are dismissed.
In the end, the officers had no legal authority to detain, seize a phone, or demand the deletion of any footage. Once it became clear that there was no law being violated and no crime in progress, their threats fell apart and they were ultimately forced to disengage. The cameraman remained on a public sidewalk, continued recording, and exercised his rights without interruption. This encounter ended the same way many unlawful confrontations do, with the officers walking away empty-handed. This incident highlights a common and dangerous misunderstanding of the law. HIPAA does not apply to private citizens recording in public, and filming from a public sidewalk is protected under the First Amendment. There was no reasonable suspicion, no probable cause, and no lawful basis to demand identification or delete footage. The moral lesson is simple: rights do not require permission, and intimidation does not create authority. When citizens know the law and remain calm, unlawful orders lose their power and accountability begins.